Julie
Julie,
and Namaste.
Namaste, Namaskar.
Namaskar.
Guten Tag,
Guten Tag, bonjour,
Bonjour,
and how to say in Norway?
hey,
Hey,
good dog.
good dog.
It's raining.
Yes,
Surprise, surprise.
surprise. Where we are, Bogi?
This is called Us, but this is Molenesa.
Molenesa.
Yeah,
Okay, I will show you.
and that's it.
Sniavågen.
Sniavågen. And this is Bjørnafjorden, and we can see Solstrand Hotel where we were the other day.
Yes, this one, yellow one.
Really nice real estate all the way here.
Yes, yesterday we walked until the top mountain, right? We can see from here, not the one.
Right there.
Okay, we cannot see now.
Yeah.
Okay. Did you ever swim in this
Yes.
field?
Yes, yes.
Wow, amazing.
But not this time of the year. Take care. Whatever you're doing, keep smiling.
So she told me this is the gate. I have to go through this. Oops.
Roads. Yes. Wow. You are already there. Okay.
Slide into the water.
You are going for swimming? It's, no?
Yes. Hmm? Can you see the different color of the sea? This side and that side. Yes. Bogi, okay. Going so fast today. What would you like to drink? Is there something?
Now I really want chai.
Wow.
I like it with ginger and cardamom,
Mm-hmm.
a little bit of cinnamon, but it's hard to get good chai, you know,
Yes.
because they all make them so differently.
Yes, yes.
But now we were out here on this by the fjord, and suddenly I feel like chai.
Okay, so
So now we go home and make chai.
yes.
Yeah,
Let's go fast.
yeah.
Okay.
Good dog.
Good dog.
Good
Where
dog.
where we went today?
We have just walked to Smiavågen and along the fjord to Mollanesa,
Mm-hmm.
and now we are just walking back to the car. So we've done a circuit.
Wow. Thank you. It was a beautiful day. And
you're
showing
welcome.
me beautiful day. Thank you.
This one with these smells and the two white houses. Beautiful place.
How's the tea?
Oh, this is just exactly how I like it. You did so well. This is the best chai, really. I like it. Strong ginger taste, and it's just mwah.
Thank you.
Thank you, Emily.
Enjoy your tea.
Thank you.
Wow, it's beautiful in night. Also, right? Us.
It's us and us euro.
Euro.
Us euro, but usually we just say short us.
Okay. Us Euro is beautiful in night. Night view. Us.
And now you can see that it's not lit now, but that mountain up there is where we were.
Oh, the sun.